Okie dokie. Bit of an impromptu fix here. As you can see, over the weekend, somebody, not gonna say who, might have boo-booed the truck a little bit. Didn't know his own strength. But it's really not that big a deal. We knew these were going to break at some point. They're not really made the best. These are pretty flimsy. Basically all plastic, so they were eventually going to break. And if I can get this thing back out, that'd be great. There. So we will replace this. I already got a new one. Thankfully, Advanced Auto Parts had them ready to go. So we're just gonna pop this sucker in there, but first we have to attach the guide. If I can find it. There it is. Let's see if we can get it on without causing a fuss. It's actually really squishy. The other one was dry rotted, so we almost just broke the new one. Be nice if it could come back further, but it doesn't. No! I feel like this is just gonna be the game I'm gonna have to play. Just have to get the hang of it. Almost. Almost got it. Come on, sucker. Maybe I do have the wrong approach. It's got this little tab on there.
My guess would be you should really put it on second, but it's kind of a pain to take off.
And it really should just slide over this tab. I think I'm just not manhandling it enough. See? Just like that. Now it's good to go. So we just need to come my way just a tad. There it is. Okay. Now for the rest. There it is. Go back. Just as a little bit of background, this is basically what that other door handle was like. You can see when you pull it, it's pretty loose, whereas when you pull these, it's nice and tight. So this is just bound to break. Whoever made these was not a smart person, or they were just trying to come up with a cheap option. But you can see in there that plastic right there, that's what broke on the other one, and I don't think this one's got a whole lot left. So I did already go and buy a replacement, so when that does break, we shall fix it. All right, on to the next thing.